Now, I keep missing the best light. Missing my cross the road right here. That guy's a storm chaser. We're right on the edge of this thing. You hear that? I don't know how there's no outlet back there. I don't know how they got back there. I can't see the circulation because it's just wrapped in rain. There's a chaser. Yeah, this thing's past us now.